My friend.
We're not friends.
My friend.
We'll never be friends. Let's get that straight.
Okay, don't
Triple
call
Z.
me again, my friend. Don't call
Sam,
me. Okay.
Sam, I'll
Don't
call you
me
if you
again.
don't give up.
We called this guy last year, like started with you. He picked up on the first time we called him. And, you were respectful. He was nice and all that, but then he he got under your skin. It bothered you because you explained so nicely to him, and then he seemed like you got it. But then he like flushed his head brain and was like, "Hey, let me introduce you to this guy so you could buy it." And then you got upset. And he got upset.
After I said I don't buy him, I thought he was listening. All right, I understand. I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt as though I've never talked to the guy before, because he probably doesn't remember.
I'm sure that's exactly going to remember you.
Yeah. Are we calling his cell?
Yes, this is his cell.
All right. Maybe he saved my number. He'll see it on the caller ID and he'll happily pick up.
I'm giddy with anticipation. I hope he answers.
Here we go. Oh, he saved in my phone under lunatic.
Hello?
Sam, how are you?
Who's this?
This is Danny D'Angelo. We talked a while back in reference to leasing some space in Nashville from you.
Go ahead, please.
I'm still interested. You're building on. I'd like to rent it from you.
Oh, to rent it? What kind of business you have?
I'm in the laundry business. I do laundromats still.
Oh, done. Somebody take the former owner out, and they buy that business.
They bought it? They planning on putting some new equipment in?
Egyptian doctor.
An Egyptian doctor? My goodness.
Yeah.
Not that I needed to know that. Are they going to put new equipment in?
It was good business, It was very good business,
No, it wasn't.
Are you sure about that?
Are they going to put new equipment in?
Yeah, all the equipment remain over there.
It's new?
I don't know. I didn't buy it. You have to ask the buyer.
You don't frequent your properties? You don't go into your own suites or look around?
My friend, I am owner the property, right?
Mm-hmm.
I am not owner the business.
Understood.
I am owner
know that.
just only property, right?
I know that.
If I were you, I want to have a knowledge, or I get the information. I come in person. I go inside the laundry, and I talk to the owner, and he give to you right answer and the right information.
Don't tell me what to do.
Have you ever been committed? Did the guys in the paddy wagon ever show up in the white suits and put you in a padded room? Has that happened to you?
I don't understand exactly what you say.
Okay. So you don't, how many buildings do you own, if I could ask?
Who are you?
I'm Danny D'Angelo. I own 36 coin laundromats in 7 strip malls. Who are you?
My friend.
We're not friends.
My friend.
We'll never be friends. Let's get that straight.
Okay, don't call me again, my friend. Don't call me. Okay?
Sam, I'll call you if you don't give up. Don't hang up.
No.
Because
you tell me you are not my friend. Why
don't
you
give
call
up.
me?
We're not friends. You're not friends with any of your tenants. Don't lie to me.
No, I am
Don't
good
give up.
friend.
Have a
I am
5-minute
good friend by
conversation.
all the tenants.
Have a 5-minute
Don't talk
conversation.
to me, my friend. Don't talk to me as a student. I am older man. I am the.
I know you're old. You're old as dirt. You're probably got a few more weeks left on the earth. Let's be honest.
Right. I am United States senior citizen. Don't talk to me
Who
as
said
a
you
bullshit
weren't?
person.
So am I.
Hang up, please.
Do you have dual citizenship?
Hang up, please. Hang up, please. Don't talk again.
Now we're going to make it a battle.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it.
Okay, sweetheart. I am U.S. citizen. I know how to spell. I spell citizen. Triple Z. Yeah, he gave up. Thanks for doing that. Appreciate it.
God.
He just goes.
Oh, man.
He goes from zero to lunatic for no reason. For no reason. These people get really mad
too. Do you sense that? Is he the first mover?
He gets really mad.
Tell me for like 30 seconds how you how you adapted to that and how you got that.
What?
I mean, what did he do that made you go that way, and then he's mirroring you and you're mirroring him? Like,
in this call?
Because it seemed like he was like, hey, buddy, no, he sold it.
My friend, that my friend thing could be some guy selling you carpet on the street or someone trying to scam you. It's not friendly. It's, oh, you say we're not friends. Of course we're not friends. We're not friends.
Right.
And that's
the
what
my friend thing.
He wants to key in on that and say that's what got him upset. That's not. He got upset when he had his coffee this morning.
Wow.
And it's not necessarily mirroring. It's just, okay, you ever been to a paddy wagon? You know, I'm just trying to have a little fun with that because he doesn't even understand it. U.S. citizen, who asked you? I assume that you are. You own property.
Wow.
I was going to start asking him some questions about the 37th president. Richard Nixon.
Oh, dude.
Oh, shit. Good job. Pointless.
Should I take him off the list since he said he sold it?
No, he said that they put new equipment in, did they?
No, he said he didn't know.
But you should know. You should have gone by there before you put it in front of me again. Go look and see.
Well, I have gone by there, but it didn't look like anything had changed to me.
Well, he doesn't know, and he's upset and hurt by that. How many buildings you own? Who is this? I told you who I was.
You know what? You're right, man. That's exactly. You asked him that. You were like, "What? You don't know if it's new. You don't walk in your buildings," and that's when he got weird.
Yeah.
He got defensive. Good call.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.